sun is the most mysterious object that we know. So we all dependent directly or indirectly on sun. So studying that, because it is the most mysterious thing, though we take the energy and use the energy daily, it is the most mysterious object which is there in this space, and all the planets, even Earth, depends on it. So mission to sun is the most challenging thing. Many countries have done the space missions earlier. There are still active missions going on, but as India is now into the race of space missions, this mission would be a turning point in the study of sun, because we are attempting something which we didn't do earlier. We have been successful in doing something which we didn't do earlier, that is Chandrayaan 3.